This video is going to show you how to make easy gingerbread. In the bowl I have 2 boxes of gingerbread cookie mix. We have 2 bananas, 2 packs of applesauce, which equals 1 cup of applesauce, and 1 cup of molasses. And we need 2 loaf pans and your oven preheated at 350. So to our gingerbread cookie mix, we are going to put in our 1 cup of applesauce, which equals 2 of these little individual containers. It's 1 cup of applesauce, 2 bananas. Just going to break them into pieces. Like that, and 1 cup of molasses. The molasses makes it nice and moist. It'll be a little dense. It won't be like a fluffy cake. It'll be more of a dense cake. The molasses gives it lots of flavor. Once you get all the ingredients in, then we're going to put it on the mixer. Let it mix. Going to let it mix for about 5 minutes. Once the bananas and applesauce are creamed in the dry ingredients, we're going to add a 1/2 cup of water. Add it slowly. And that's it. We're going to let it mix until it's all creamed together. And put it in our loaf pans. Put it in a 350-degree oven for about 30 minutes, and then we'll check it. After your dough's mixed together, you put half in one pan, half in another. And we're going to put it in the oven on 350 for 30 minutes and then check it. Make sure that you spray your pans with non-stick cooking spray or grease them with Crisco or oil so the gingerbread doesn't stick to your pan. I use non-stick cooking spray in mine. So now we're going to put them in the oven. Our gingerbread has come out of the oven. I checked it after 30 minutes and it still needed a little more time, so it was in the oven on 350 for a total of 50 minutes. Now it is done. I flipped it out of the pans, put it on a cooling rack to cool. Put icing on it. Sometimes I use the cream cheese icing that you buy at the store, or you can put confectionery sugar on it. Just sprinkle confectionery sugar on it before you eat it, or you can just eat it plain, however you like your gingerbread. I hope you like this easy recipe. Like and subscribe to my channel. Till next time.